Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can join the UCL Daily Challenge in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this is new challenge mode that happening now. The UCL live events. So before we start, I'm going to I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the mission or quest, so you can get ton of rewards from it. So let's get started by tap the play, tap the live events, and this one challenge mode. Tap the challenge mode. As you can see, there are two options here. Tap the first one. So there are no condition here. Line up minimal, only the line up with minimal 65 OVR. So it means there are no condition. In the first time you can, if you are first time player or new into this game, you can fulfill this entry condition. And the second one also, there are no condition here. You can try this. There are only three stages here: quarterfinal, semi-final, and finals. So try your challenge your challenge this event, challenge yourself in UCL daily challenge event. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.